This is a presentation of the new maintenance dashboard software by Port CNC. The software is designed to be ran on multiple computers. You would normally have one computer that would be in a shop area or multiple computers where you would have users enter in downcode reasons for maintenance. Very simply, all they'd have to do is click on the Enter Maintenance menu. And in a lot of cases, you can have it set up so that this is the screen that comes up full screen all the time and is always on. They would enter who they are, the machine number, and the maintenance issue. They could enter in an issue, or they could also have a shortcut. So if I type in the word belt, it will give me the longer description of what was the problem. I can submit the issue. Now on other screens, you can have the maintenance dashboard up and running. And this can be on multiple screens or multiple computers. So this is going to rotate through the different screens of problems. You can also set different priorities. So if it's machine's down for too long of a period of time, it can automatically be marked as excessive downtime. When a maintenance personnel is working on the machine, it can automatically be set to maintenance in progress. Or if they just entered it in like I just did on this one, it's going to say maintenance required. And high priority maintenance would be something that would be set by the supervisor on a daily basis. They can come into the assign maintenance priority, and it's going to show you all of the machines that you have. And if you were to pick on a machine or multiple machines that you want as high priority, you'll go ahead and set those so that you could do that first thing in the morning, and that way throughout the day, if any work gets selected for that machine, it's going to show up as a high priority job. Another thing you can do is the maintenance department could have a computer in their office where they could come in here and pick on the maintenance assignment. So they can come in here and mark a project as in process. So I could come here and say I'm working on this one. And then I can also come in and look at the jobs as they're being completed. So I'm just going to close this down, and if you look back in the dashboard, you'll see that this job will show that it's currently in process. And then on the configure items, I can come in here and I can configure things to have all my screens start maximized, what colors I want to pick for each event, what color font, what color background, how long before the excessive days are chosen. I can also pick how long to keep the items in the completed list before they get archived. I can pick the path so that I can have it on a server and multiple users can access it, where the backups are going to go to. You can have passwords for different reasons, and you can do these with multiple ones. So I could have, depending on who's using this, they each could have their own password. In this way, they're just separated by commas. So you could say who can exit the software, who can come in here and add maintenance actions, and who can assign the maintenance priority. So you can have different users for different reasons. You can select your own company logo, pick for each computer what is the default menu that's going to come up. You can put it in your startup group, pick which font that you want to use on your dashboard. Then you can enter in your maintenance items. This is where you would put in what the keyword is and then what's going to appear on the screen. And then you can also do the machine numbers, where you can enter in all of your CNC machines or any equipment that you have that you want to keep maintenance on. The system will let you, besides those ones you select, when you are typing in, you can override and type other reasons in. You could also have a scanner at the machine, and so you could scan a badge for the user. You could also have a chart of machines that you could scan. Same thing with the maintenance issues. If you could have all the different issues with a barcode in front of them that just has a simple number. And when you go and look at the maintenance actions, on the completed maintenance jobs, they could go in there. I'm going to move this over here. It's coming up as a full screen. So you can come through here and see all the different issues that you've had, and you can also pick any machines that you want to see what were those reasons for the downcode issues. Just a brief summary. I hope that helps explain what the software does. Thank you.